Hi everyone, I have this lovely little book that I have been given called Sea of Flowers. I haven't looked at it yet. I thought I would share with you the flip through of it. It is in the same series as a book that I've done a flip through of already, which is this one. So it's the same size. So it's just a little bit smaller than 6 inches by 6 inches. And the cover, as you can see, is very pretty. It's got some metallic on there, which I do like. Nice. And it's bound in the same way with a glued back here, so you can just tear the pages out. As I said with the other flip through, if you did see it, sorry, I've got another book like this and I just put a piece of tape across here to hold the pages in more securely, because they do start to come out if you're not careful. If you want to rip them out, obviously don't do that, but I like to keep my pictures in the book, so that's what I do anyway. So here we start, and we've got a little border around the page. The other book had the same thing, it had them on every page. This one does too, so it just frames it nicely for you, and you could colour that or not, so that's fine. And we start with this absolutely gorgeous flower. I think that chrysanthemum, I'm guessing. I don't know, they might just be made up, but that's lovely. Imagine colouring that. And let's go through. So this one is interesting. We have a black background, we have berries. You know I love colouring berries, so that's going to be really fun. And lots of sort of larger florals too, so that's really interesting. I am not used to colouring with black background, so I'm going to have to try out different colour combinations and things, because I'm not really sure what's going to work. So that's going to be really good fun. And we have a cute bird here, look how cute, and lots of hearts. It's very pretty. Gosh, I've had a cold shiver, it's so cold. I don't know, we had a frost last night, which we've been having quite a lot of, but today it just seems extra cold. Anyway, very pretty butterflies and more chrysanthemum flowers and some leaves as well. That's quite a detailed page, it's really pretty. I do like that one. These don't look to me like flowers, they look like doilies. I don't know if you all know what doilies are, the sort of intricate lace work. It's really pretty. I don't know about colouring that. It looks frameable without being coloured, but I will have a go. Oh, look at that bird. Wow, that's really clever. Such a clever idea. And we have florals and things in there. Oh, I think a bit of metallic gel pen, glitter pen. I'll go down well on that one, I reckon. I think, no, the pages are quite thick. You can see they're at least twice as thick as copy paper, so I think they'll stand up to pens and things like that. I'm not folding that through because I don't want to break the book, the pages falling out, so I'm just doing it gently. So we have a selection of different flower shapes here and leaf. And they're quite fun because they are very mandala-y in their designs, so there's a lot going on there to get your teeth into, really. It's quite fun. Oh, look how pretty those are, roses. But it's interesting because we've got these black lines, so that's really different to anything I've coloured before, so that's going to be really interesting. That'll be fun. Yeah. Oh no, we have got 2 pages this time. So let's have a look at these. Oh, those are pretty. I've got no idea what sort of flowers they are. We've got all these different layers of petals, which makes for really interesting colouring, I think. So that's good. Oh, and we have a circular floral. They're going to be purple. That's what my brain says right away. Purple. Is it periwinkles that are purple? I'm not sure. Anyways. Oh, look at these birds, their little hearts. How very cute. And some other florals. Quite a mix of different bits and bobs on that page. That's quite fun. And we have roses. These haven't got quite such thick dark lines between them, but yeah, they do look pretty. Nice pinky purple. Oh, it's a pear. How pretty is that? Really lovely. That's nice. Oh, and this, we had this page already in white on black, black on white, and we've got the reverse. So that's interesting. So that's going to be quite fun to do, a different challenge. Ooh, those are pretty. They look like dog roses to me. I don't know. Yeah, pale pink with yellow middles, maybe. Very pretty. Be interesting to see what this paper's like to colour on, but I think it'll be lovely. Got an apple made of flowers. That's lovely, isn't it? I love how they're all so different. They're obviously all by different artists, I would guess. Well, not all of them, but you know, a mix of artists. They have very different styles. We have some strawberries. How cute. Strawberries. Certainly not strawberry season now in January, although this might go out in February. But even so, it's still not strawberry season. We do get them in the supermarkets, but they aren't nice. Now I'm talking on about strawberries because I'm trying to think of the name that flower looks like, but I can't name it. So anyway, it's very pretty. Oh, an elephant! I love elephants. Look at him. Oh, so cute. And there are flowers, but look at the elephant. Oh, cute. Oh, that looks very Cath Kidston-like to me, except she doesn't have the black. It's really interesting. Oh, nice. And we have a tree, little petals. So, of course, I might be tempted to colour over that black in a different colour. Or maybe just do a background. I don't know. Interesting. And here we have, they look like little violets or pansies or something like that to me. Very pretty. Oh, and some irises. Or are they orchids? Orchids. Yeah. We have a sort of spray blossom. That's pretty. There are lots of little dots, as if there's lots of little bits of pollen coming out of them. Interesting. And here we just have, they just look like leaves, which I like. Do them all different colours, all the same colour. Just get one pencil, colour away, relaxing. Oh, how cute. So sweet. So we have these two florals. Such a cute bird. Not sure what they are. Pretty. Can do anything with those. Maybe they're irises. Now this could be a season picture, couldn't it? Could do winter with sparse leaves and autumn. Summer, autumn with berries, maybe. Interesting, or just do them different colours. It's nice. Oh. You just don't want to turn. Oh, butterfly. So many flowers on that butterfly, but it is symmetrical. That's fun. Oh, it's really pretty. And we have a selection of leaves. These look quite, it looks like an autumnal themed picture to me. Probably only because the leaves come off the trees in the autumn. More flowers. Not sure what those are. It looks quite ferny behind them, but I don't know. And more trees. Those are pretty. Oh, another spray of flowers with quite big leaves. Interesting. Well, those are pretty. I'm not sure what they are. Very pretty. Are they dahlias, maybe? And we have some more leaves. Lovely. I do like colouring these. Having some, excuse me, I've got hiccups. I only had 2 sips of coffee and a square of chocolate. It's given me terrible hiccups. Have 2 birds. Very pretty. This looks very classical. They almost like there's some grapes there. I do like that. Very very elegant country housey style. And here we have something a lot more contemporary, which is great fun. A sort of a bit of mandala type styly in there going on. Oh, a butterfly made of butterflies. How pretty. Very nice. And it isn't symmetrical, which is interesting. That might bug me a bit. I like symmetrical things. I'm sure it's fine. It's so different it won't worry me. And there's a little bird on, what are these, apples? I think they're apples. That's cute. And we have some trees. These look really Christmassy. I'm thinking let's go bonkers with the green metallic glitter pens. Something like that. Yeah, definitely. And in the back, it just tells us about the other titles in the series. So, and apparently it's German. First English language edition, published in 2017. Original German title, Blumenmeer. Blumen means flowers, by the way. I have studied a tiny bit of German. So there's the book. I think that's enchanting, and I'm looking forward to having a go at that. And thank you to my lovely friend who sent that to me. We shall be doing some buddy colours, and I shall be putting them up onto my social media pages. So if you want to have a look, you can at some point. They'll be going up. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and happy colouring.